Without stretching anymore, I would request Pramila Tai and also Abhay Vaidyaju to please come on the stage. A big round of applause to Pramila Tai and Abhayji. And we have Premji's daughter Meghna ji also. I would request her also to please join her mother and brother. I would request my senior colleague and director Sri Madhi Alagan to give a bouquet of flower to Pramila Tai as a mark of our respect to her. Prem Vaidya ji probably needs no introduction for many of you. What should I say about a person who wrote in his memoir that if there is life after death, which I believe so, I would wish to be born again behind my camera. So, may I request Pramila Tai ji to speak a few words about Premji, and what should I say? I don't know, how to ask her to share her long and cherished life with Premji. She will only be able to decipher into that realm of her life with Premji. Anyway, but still, we would like to hear her from.
Dear friends, I welcome you all for this occasion, and also thank Films Division about arranging this tribute in the name of my husband. And you see, 56 years I stayed with him. Our marriage life was 56 years. And first what he used to say, he was completely devoting his life towards the work. And whenever something is there, he will say that my first marriage is with the Films Division, and secondly, it is with the family members. Like that his was. And if the work is very critical and very difficult, he will concentrate all the 24 hours on his work only. And he will not care for me and our children. But whatever we found, that whenever he had put lot of efforts, he got the awards, and that was really fruitful. And so my children and myself, we were very happy. And about the vanishing tribes of India, Andaman Nicobar, there what happens that he had a that arrow. Arrow was somebody had sent to tribes, and that his leg was hurt in the thigh, and I was very much afraid, because that time we used to find that all the arrows were mostly of poisonous, but fortunately he escaped, and it was not a poisonous arrow, and his film had a nice success. It got the silver medal from National Film Award. Like that, all these things are about Shastriji. He was accompanied with that party, and Shastriji's death took at Tashkent. So that time he was so much engrossed in Shastriji's work that he didn't feel that he is at home. He is with Shastris only. Like that it was happening. And then we all were anxious by what happened about Mr. Shastri, why Lal Bahadur Shastri didn't return, and we were very, very sorry to find out. And that time he had made a great help to the film division, placing all the team members to have the filming of his last yatra. And that was a very memorable incident in his life. About the Bhudan movement, he was very much concentrating on Vinobaji and his that in Gita, Sthitaprajna Vinoba, that was the heading for his little bit newsreel short. And that time he was so much engrossed with Vinobaji that he didn't feel that he is one of the ashramites in Wardha. That happened like that, and he had full concentration on that.